Hello guys and welcome back to Learn Cyber EH. Today I am looking at the PicoCTF Beginner Mini 2022 challenges, and in this video I'm going to be going through the 5 password crack challenges. For these challenges I'm just going to be using the web shell that's provided on the PicoCTF website. To access this, all you have to do is click this button here and put in your username and password, and then you can access it. And I'll show you how to download the files from this onto your web shell. So we'll start off with password crack 1. Can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password cracker here, or password checker here, and you'll need the encrypted flag in the same directory too. So the hints: to view the file, you can use nano to view files, and it's just telling you how to exit once you view the file with nano. So let's go. I have already downloaded these files, but I'll just show you what to do if you're not sure. You basically just right click on each of the links, copy the address, and you do wget, paste in your link there. You can Control Shift and V will paste it in, or you can just right click and paste, and you push enter, it will download that for you. So I've already got that downloaded. I'm not going to download it again. And I'll just show you, if you want to view all the files you've downloaded, you just push ls, enter. Now I've downloaded all the files necessary for the 1 to 5 challenges, so I don't need to waste time showing you all them. So we'll get started with the level 1. We can see we have level1.py, which is a Python file, and we also have level 1 flag.text.enc. That's just an encrypted file. So we can start off by having a look at what's inside the Python file there. For this I'm just going to use vim, so you can type vi level1.py. And in here we can see the Python code. So if we have a look at the code, we don't need to look at what's in here really. This function will not help you find the flag. That's commented out. So if we have a look down here, we can see this line here of code is of interest. If user.p/pw is equal to f014, then basically they get access to the decrypted file, which is the flag. So we can take it that that is the password. So we'll go back now and we'll try that as a password. So to get out of Vim, all you have to do is push colon and Q. So to actually run this Python file, you type Python level1.py. Now it's gonna ask us for the password. I've actually forgotten what it was. So I think it was F017. 017. That's the wrong one. So I'll go back and have a look at what that was. F014. Okay. Run that again. It asks us for the password, F014. Okay, and there we go. That's the first flag. Now we'll go on to flag 2, or sorry, we'll go on to level 2 password crack. So we'll go on to this one. can you crack the password to get the flag? And again, you have to download the password checker and also the encrypted flag. The hints for this one, does that encoding look familiar? Okay. So let's have a look at the level 2 Python file. We'll use Vim again. Okay, so on the last one we had it basically told us what the in plain text what the password was. So here we have if user password is equal to, and it has these characters here. So we just need to figure out what they are. So we have 0x62, 0x37, 30, and 37. So you can actually just copy that whole thing and put it into Google, and it will show you. You'll get something similar to this, an ASCII table, and you can look these up. So if we go over here, 0x67, I think that, oh sorry, 0x62. So the first letter of the password is B, 0x37, 30, and 37. So 0x37 is 7, and 30 is 0. So we know we have B707. Just from looking at that there. Now there are automatic generators. If you put it into Google, you can probably find a tool that you can just copy and paste it in, and it'll tell you without having to look up the table yourself. So that's it. We'll go back and we'll run the Python file and we'll put in B707. Okay, and that's it. That's the second flag there. Or that's the flag for the second challenge, I should say. Okay, so now let's look at the third password crack challenge. Okay, so here we have the password checker, we have the encrypted flag, and we have a hash. And it's just saying they all have to be in the same directory. So if you just download everything to the base directory there, you won't have any issues. The hints, to view the level 3 hash.bin file, we'll do BVI. That's just, it's a binary file, so you can view it using that command. And it's just saying here to exit that BVI. Okay, but I'm not actually even going to use that. So I'm going to again go back into the Python file. So level 3.py. Okay, and we have a look down here, down the bottom. We can see a POS PW list. So the strings below are 7 possibilities for the correct password. Only one is correct. So you could just manually try these one at a time until you get the right one. But I'm not going to do that. We're just going to edit this one of these functions here so that it will automatically loop through the list, check each one of them, check what the right one is, and then let us in that way. We will actually need to do that anyway for the next two challenges, so we might as well do it here as well. So to actually edit something in Vim, you need to start off, you push I. You'll see this down here. Now you can actually edit. You can edit the file. So I'm going to start off. I'm just going to copy this. And you want to paste it below that POS, possible password list. and then just delete that. That way, this list is actually within the program. Uh, so you have to do that, otherwise the list won't be found. So if we go back up to this function here, password check, we can actually delete some of this. So we're going to use a for loop. Sorry. And we're just going to use this same word here, same variable here, user underscore password. You can call it anything you like, but then if you call it I, for example, you'd have to just go and change this manually. So if we leave it as user underscore pw, we don't have to change anything else. So for user pw in pos underscore password underscore list. So you can leave that as is. You just want to indent that, and then you want to indent each of these lines just with the pushing the tab bar. Okay, can delete this. Oops. It's a bit awkward to move around in Vim. Okay, you want to just say else pass, and that basically is it. That should be it. So we are looping through this possible list of passwords. We know one of them is correct, so we're looping through each of them, and we're using this hash function here to hash each of the passwords. It then checks this here, then checks that if the hash of any of these is equal to the actual correct hashed password, then we're in, we have the right password, and we're successful. So that's it. To get out of this, you have to just push escape. So you get out of insert mode. You want a semicolon there and WQ for write quit. And now we'll run Python, the Python file for level 3. And there we go. We have the flag there for that one. So now let's look at level 4. And again, you got the checker, the flag, and the hash file. You right click on each of them one at a time and download them in. So hints here, a for loop can help you do many things very quickly. So basically you have to do the same thing for level 4 that you did for level 3. So we'll have a look at that. Level 4.py. You can see here we have a list of 100 possible passwords. So you definitely couldn't manually input them one at a time. So it's basically the same thing. We'll do the same steps. Copy this. Paste it down there. Then delete that out. and you want to do the exact same thing as we did in the last one. Okay, then we'll just put in the else statement there. And I think that's everything. I think I put an extra, oh no, yeah, okay, that looks good. So escape, semicolon, WQ. Now we'll run that Python file for level 4. Okay, I have an error there. Unexpected indent. So let's go back and have a look. Sorry. Oh, that should be alright. Okay, I'll try it again. Maybe it was just that blank line I had in there. Okay. Hmm. One indent does not match any outer. Okay, I have it messed up there a bit. Let's go back and. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I'm not sure that should do it. Yeah, okay, that was it. I just had the indentations all messed up there. So there you go. That's the flag for level 4 challenge. Now let's go and look at the final challenge, level 5. Okay, this time you have the same 3 files, but you also have a dictionary with a long list of possible passwords. Okay, the hints are opening a file in Python is crucial to avoid, uh, to avo sorry, to crucial to using the provided password. And it's just saying to trim the white space by using the strip function in Python. Okay, let's go and have a look at that Python file. Okay, so it's the same as the other one. We don't have a list down the bottom of the possible passwords. Instead, we got that dictionary. I'll show you there now. Yeah, we got this here, dictionary.txt file. So we want to access that. So what we can do is we can do similar, basically want to do the same thing we did to this function for the previous challenges, but we want to now open up this dictionary file using a similar command to this here. So I'll push I so that we can edit this file. Go up and I'm just going to call this password pw underscore dictionary or dict for dictionary. So is equal to open the file name dictionary.txt. We want to read it. And now, as the hint said, we want to, when it's stored in the dictionary file, it's got white space between each of the passwords there, because they're on separate lines. So to remove that white space, you just have to use that split command. So just say it's equal to itself dot split. Okay. So now we do the exact same thing. As before. Hopefully I won't mess up the indentation this time. For user password in, this time we say in pw underscore dict. Okay, we'll do the else pass. And I think that is everything. Let's give that a go. Write and quit. Now we'll run the Python there and see what happens. There we go. That's it. So that's the final flag for the fifth challenge there. So it wasn't too bad once you figure out how to use the for loop. It's not too bad. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Okay, see you guys next time.